talk something about emotional intelligence or emotional intelligence quotient, that is EQ. We all know about IQ, that is intelligent quotient. Very often, people equate IQ with the success or achievements in their life. We all are born with a predetermined IQ level about which we cannot do anything. And yet, we believe that people with high IQ levels attain lot of success in life, lead a happy life, or earn lot of money. Is it really true? Actually not. There is no direct correlation between high IQ and a happy life. Researchers have shown that it is not about IQ, but what we do with this IQ that really makes a difference. And this thing which really makes a difference is nothing but your emotional intelligence or your EQ. Now, what exactly is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence is the capability of an individual to recognize their emotions and those of others, to discern between feelings and label them properly, use emotional information to guide thinking and behavior, and adjust emotions to adapt to the environment. Sounds a bit difficult, right? But actually it is very simple. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own feelings, to use your feelings in a positive way, to relieve stress, or to forge strong relationships, or to empathize with others, or communicate effectively. In return, it effectively helps you to attain peace, achieve success in career, and build strong relationships. Now, emotional intelligence is something which has to be cultivated right from the beginning or right from the childhood. It is believed that people who have a happy childhood or who have positive experiences in childhood, they have a higher emotional intelligence level or higher emotional intelligence quotient, that is EQ. So now here we as parents play a major role because we have to build this personality or build this emotional intelligence in our kids right from their childhood. Now for building emotional intelligence in our kids, it is necessary first for us to understand our emotions. If we are sorted out, then and then only we will be able to help our kids. First of all, we should be aware of our emotions. We should be aware of our feelings, what we feel, how we react, how we manage our emotions. Then we will be able to train our kids accordingly. Now, how can we develop this emotional intelligence in our kids? There are a few steps which we can follow and which will surely help them. First, be aware of your child's emotions. When your child is expressing his emotions in a subtle way, try to be aware of it then and then. Do not let him amplify his emotions for you to understand it. Secondly, once you understand these emotions, use it as an opportunity to connect with your child. Don't see it as an inconvenience or something challenging. Use it to connect with him so that he will feel comfortable and he will express his feelings easily with you. Thirdly, listen and validate their feelings. Once you patiently listen to what is going on in their minds, you will be able to understand their emotions, thus explaining to them what's happening to them. They will understand what they are actually going through, and it will help them to solve their problems easily. Next, label their emotions. Help your child to label the different feelings and emotions that he is going through. For example, is it anger? Is it sadness? Is it fear? Or is it joy? Whatever the feeling he is going through, help him label his emotions. Then, help them problem solve. Once you and your child know what he is going through or what are his emotions, help him find a solution for it. Train him to find appropriate behavior and responses to the emotions that he is going through. For example, if he is feeling angry, how to diffuse the feeling of anger. If he is feeling sad, how can you overcome his sadness? Help him set a goal and achieve the target what he is actually trying to achieve. You just be a mediator. You can give him some tips, you can give him some solutions, but let him himself decide how he can find solutions to his emotional behaviors. It has been seen that parents who emotionally coach their children, these children are actually healthier. They do good in school, they do good with their friends, as well as in future in their careers also. So, without wasting any opportunities, start mastering the art of gaining control of your own emotions. Use this to raise your emotional intelligence, and in bargain you can achieve success you can in your career, business, as well as in your life. And most importantly, help your kids to be emotionally intelligent so that they can complement their IQ and become more successful, happy, and emotionally content. Thank you.